Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off likes and comments on Facebook profile picture. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening them, you can just simply open your profile, and here you can see this type of interface. You can just simply now click on the profile picture, and now you can tap on see profile picture, and after this you can just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can see the option that is edit privacy. Tap on it, and after this you can just simply select the option that is only me, and after this you can now tap on done at the top right corner of the screen. And applying all the methods, the likes and comments is turned off on Facebook profile picture. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.